as I was beginning this last part, I just did a quick search for websites for teaching science, and when I did, I found well, I chose terrific websites for science and went there. And when I did, it pulled up a number that seemed, quite to have quite a bit of potential. National Geographic, National Science Digital Library, NOVA, all big names, the Smithsonian Science Education Center. As I flipped through it, I ran into the PhET simulation, which I've mentioned in my other videos, and then OK Go. Now, OK Go caught my attention because OK Go is a band, and the members of the band, as they put videos together, they have chosen to make videos that are very science based. Um, they each of the members of the band has an interest in that sort of thing, and so I thought, well, that's intriguing, so I popped on that to go find out what it was, and when I did, what I discovered was that when I visited the website, that it actually has a lot of different resources and geared for a number of different ages as well. So there are a number of different lessons that deal with all kinds of things, from motion and simple machines and gravity, and here we have parabolas and art, and they're connecting all of the elements of STEAM, the science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. Um, so here, math, physics, flipbooks, where you can see animation at work and how human perception fits in with the physics of how light behaves and how our eyes work and the biology of it. This Too Shall Pass is a video that I've actually shown in class. I've not done it through this website before. I didn't know this website existed until I began preparing for this. But simple machines and specifically Rube Goldberg type devices. Now they don't use that term, but they use chain reactions instead. But the Rube Goldberg device is an old classic and a long-time favorite. So I click on that view lessons, and it shows part of the video. We don't need to do that now. I suppose we could do a moment of it. We won't watch the whole video, but you can see that it's a Rube Goldberg device where one element leads directly into the other elements. And again, we won't spend a lot of time on that, but we've all seen these sorts of Rube Goldberg devices before. This one, there's information here, the physics behind it, on how that's done. There's educator guides, there's video clips, there's these band members talking about it, discussing what it was that they did. This one not only does the simple machines bit, but it also talks there, for example, but it also talks about how the individual notes were made for different parts of it. So this is a resource that may have some real appeal to some of my students. I don't think I will use it extensively, but I think that I have found some tidbits here that might be useful.